This is Style Elevation, where we talk about mindset, business, and style. In this week's episode, we're featuring NBA champion, entrepreneur, philanthropist, led by his faith and family, Steph Curry. With injury and hardships, it's been 4 years since the Warriors were able to get back on the podium. But Curry and his team would stop at nothing to continue to develop, evolve, and win a chip without KD. And this year showed that Steph stepped into the role and crushed it, telling all contenders, night, night. 4 NBA championships, 3 NBA MVPs, 2 scoring titles, NBA Finals MVP, 8 All-Star appearances. And he's a part of the best backcourt in NBA history. He and Klay Thompson, aka the Splash Brothers. Of course, it wasn't always this way. So let's start from the beginning. Son of former NBA star shooting guard Dell Curry, Steph started off watching the discipline of his father as he continued to advance in the league. But without the height, he had to focus on shooting. In 2005, Steph Curry graduated from high school in North Carolina. He didn't receive the Naismith Award as the country's top high school player. He didn't make the McDonald's All-Star American team, and he wasn't named Mr. Basketball for North Carolina. He was a 3-star prospect, undersized, underappreciated, underrated. He enrolled in Davidson College. Over 3 seasons, he made believers out of all of those who passed him up. Most of us are used to his look-away threes, the dribble behind the back, and the Euro step. But there's something about his style that I really love. He's evolved into a mature man who now understands what looks great on him while transferring a message of strength and power. His stylist, Oklahoma City native Sherry McMullen, has now put him in multiple prints and colors. In this year's finals, he's been wearing black designers, giving him the opportunity to be showcased around the world and on the national stage. At the heart of it, I think Curry is a minimalist with natural palettes of 2 and 3 colors. But what I've seen in most recent years is he's gone in a completely different direction. Curry usually goes for 4 unique approaches to his style, with an athletic look with key attributes of functional comfort and durability. Here, it's all about the fit, with color palettes of 1 or 2 colors, which is anchored by his minimalist approach. He translates that really well. When dressing preppy, the key attributes are tradition, heritage, and Ivy League. This is a natural transition for him as he begins to dress up a bit, while having fun in the process. Smart casual, key attributes of versatility, transitional, and conversational pieces, mixing and matching traditional business attire with a casual approach that gives that versatility and flexibility for those transitional moments, but also still looking great in the process. New classic, key attributes timeless, selective dresser, and a straight classy person. But this new approach, it gives a modern perspective to not only business, but also formal attire. Let's talk business. Curry has been with Under Armour since 2013 and has a deal with the company until 2024 worth a reported $20 million per year. After winning this year's NBA championship, you can only imagine that sneaker sales will be going through the roof. In 2017, Curry agreed to a 5-year, $201 million contract with the Warriors, becoming the first NBA player to receive a $200 million contract in NBA history. In 2017, Steph Curry formed SC30 to manage his investment, brand partnerships, and philanthropic ventures. Also a production company, Unanimous Media, which has a development deal with Sony, utilizing his media company to control the narrative. He's interviewed juggernauts like Michael Jordan, Barack Obama, Bill Gates, even the late Nipsey Hussle. He's cut an equity stake in Oxigen, a water-based beverage that aids in muscle recovery. He intends to help market the beverage, and his equity stake means that he'll share in the profits if the company takes off. With his passion for golf, Curry did something unbelievable. In his relentless effort for focusing on race in sports, he began to give back to the culture by supporting historically black colleges. In 2019, he gave back by financially backing Howard University's golf program for 6 years. You would think that would be something Tiger would do, but he's sprinkling that curry sauce everywhere. I like to call Curry a triple-double guy. With his athletic abilities, his business acumen, and his focus on family, he's a person that has his priorities straight. It's interesting how things become full circle. Starting out as a baby, son of an NBA player, brother of an NBA player, family man, entrepreneur, philanthropist, and an all-around great guy with style. This is Steph Curry's Style Elevation.
Balls floating around, he laughs a lot when I bounce him, so hopefully he'll pursue it too.